Wanna know how to see your project properties in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application and make sure you're under projects right here. Just simply select right here to see projects. If you don't save, just simply towards window and then select projects and you're good to go. Now, just simply select the project that you want to see the properties of. So for me, it's Maven project 3. Now, what you need to do is just simply hit towards Windows on top right here. And once you run that here, you should be seeing IDE tools. Now just simply extend IDE tools, and under IDE tools, you should be seeing properties. So you can also select Ctrl+Shift+7 to open up your properties, and here you should be seeing properties if there are any of your Maven project or any project that you want. So I'm just going to do it again to show you. Just simply hit towards IDE tools and then select properties right here. And once that is done, your properties should be showing up. Sometimes it should appear right here as well on the right side, so make sure to check it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. So as you can see, the properties has been there as well, from name to all files and class path as well. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.